Hello guys, here we are in the center town of my center town. This is Modena guys, Italy. Modena. This is Canalchiaro. Canalchiaro. I want to go here to go to the church there. Oh. And I live there. This is the congregation. What is this? This is let's see. This street is Via San Paulo. No. San Paulo. San Paulo. Ah, diretso ni sa kuan sa simbahan San Pietro. San Paulo. Ah. The houses here in the center towns. The paint colored different color. You see, yellow. This is a Osteria La Frasca. This place. This is what is this? What is this? Very nice, huh? Yeah. You see, guys. Wait, I have to read. What is this plaza? Here in the center town, there are many plaza, small plaza. Plaza of, I don't know. There is water. Oh, there is water. And the other fountain, oh. Here there is, what is this? Quartiere Polo Sociale. Ah, Quartiere Polo Sociale. And what is the name of this plaza? Bo, there's no written here. Comune di Modena, quartiere 1, polo sociale 1, servizi sociali sanitari per integrazione. Aha. Per integrazione. I don't know what is. Uy, very big cat. Very big cat. Very big cat. Ming, Ming. Ming, Ming. Very big cat. So I don't know what is the name of this plaza. There is a very big cat. Oh. Very big cat. So until here, we go there. Okay. Ano kayang pangalan ng plaza na yan? Don't know. You know why? I was living here in the other side of this street. I was living here 1987 since February 20 until June. Here in the center town, but I didn't know yet. I have so many problem in that year when I was arrived here. It was February, very cold, and then there are many problems. But in other street, I think before of this street, parallelo de questa strada, sono ho abitato qua da febbraio fino a giugno in Sintertown. This is a church, but it's closed. You see, closed. Close. Yeah. Ano kaya ang pangalan ng plaza na yun eh? Uh-huh. This is a sushi restaurant here. Yeah. So, but it's closed. How can I enter? So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. This is live from Modena, Italy. My hometown.